We have Mr. Guadarrama's manifold. You can see right here where it's leaking, deteriorating. This is causing one of his problems. Also, you see here, this is Mr. Guadarrama's old timing cover. Will be, see how it's flaking really badly, and you can see the holes right here where this was actually leaking oil as well, and the seal that it makes along the bottom where it meets the pan right here is where it's really getting out. Also, if you look right here where my thumb is, you can see Mr. Guadarrama's oil pan is really deteriorating, needs to be replaced. This is also his new timing cover, new front seal in our timing cover. We have our old circulation pump that down. If you look down in here, you can see where it had been weeping. This is what caused our timing cover to rust and go bad. It's definitely time for us to change out this circulation pump as well. We have Mr. Guadarrama's new manifold. There's a new circulation pump ready to go on. Here's his outdrive. Here's where we had a problem. Right down here, if you look, you can see where the threading is mushroomed right here, and where it was, we got snapped when we were removing it. Mr. Guadarrama's new oil pan, painted, ready to go on. Also, what we have here, we have in my hand, this would be our old rear main seals. Our rear main seal is replaced right back here. We remove these bolts. This is our crank, and put in a new seal right there. It's our rear main seal. This was the worst side. We had several bolts we needed to cut on his manifold. If you look here, this is, if you look down here, you can see we've had to cut this. This is where it was threaded into the head right here. You get a good look at the front, George's motor. This rust damage right here, you can see this rust was caused by our circulation pump leaking. Manifold here, you can see where our riser was leaking, and if you look down under here next to our spark plug, you can see where the manifold, if you look, there's big pieces of rust coming off into my hand here. So, oil sending unit does need to be addressed. New alternator he's got on here. You can see our old exhaust 90. You can see how it's very badly deteriorated, flaking rust out of the inside of it. Pretty bad shape. So, this is what we got. If you look inside here, there's my shop, there's my trailer, work benches, generators over here, stuff there in the back, my crane. I think this is good.